Alright, what I'm going to do is just make some lunch once again. I got some leftover shrimp, and you got to use these things up really quick because they go bad really quick. So there's juice in here from sitting in the fridge overnight, and it smells like the ocean. So I'm going to use it for my tartar sauce. So I'm going to make it like you were making a sauce, except I'm just going to make it thick and add it to my tartar sauce. So there we go. It's not too much. Whatever was in there. And I say in a lot of these videos I don't like to waste. So I'll get that kind of rolling, boiling a little bit. And I'll have to peel those. I'm going to add a little bit of dry French Vermouth. Not too much, because I don't want it overwhelming. That should do that. A little bit of Worcestershire. Lower the heat a little bit. Not too much. Some capers. Couple drops of lemon juice. Not too much. And then a little bit of heavy cream. And I want this to thicken down because I don't want my tartar sauce too loose. I want it kind of mayonnaise-y. What I'm doing is just concentrating down all of these flavors. And that's that. That's another. All right. And that's it, just a little bit in there. I'll let that cool for a minute. I'll wipe out my pan because I'm going to use this for the shrimp. I'm going to make a, well, in New Orleans they call it a poboy, and I'm just going to dredge the shrimp and fry them in some olive oil. And then put it on. I got a piece of French bread over there. I'm going to toast it and put some lettuce on it. So let me clean all this mess up. All right, what I got here is just some flour in here. I just put it in there. And I'm going to put some cornmeal. Give that a little mix. What I want in there is some Old Bay. And some cayenne, a little bit of salt. And cayenne pepper. Give it a little zip. That's a lot of zip. A little bit of garlic powder, of course. A little onion powder. And that's it. Let me go ahead and make that real quick so I can get that out of the way. Mayo. I got a pickle left in here, if I can get it. It's a dill pickle. You can actually save this pickle juice in this and put peppers or anything in there and put it in the fridge. It makes it really good. Almost out of mayo. That should do it. Little dill. These are dill seeds. I'd rather have the leaves, but this will be good. Not too much. It's a little bit wet because I should have reduced that cream down a little bit more. I can let it sit in the fridge and it'll firm up a little bit. Let's see how it tastes. It's good. I didn't have any iceberg lettuce. I generally don't buy it because I don't care for it. All I have is some romaine. So I'll just kind of shred this a little bit. All right, now for this, let me peel the shrimp. Give these a flip. That's hot, I know that. Here we go. Should have flipped them just a minute earlier. You don't want to overcook them. And they're turning that golden color. I don't know if the camera's showing down this low. That golden color because of the cornmeal. And that'll give them a little bit of crunch on that bread. So they're done. See, that thickened up because of the I put it in the fridge. It really should stay in there for about an hour or more. This is going to be an overstuffed shrimp sandwich, that's for sure. This is going to be a messy one. All right, here we go. That's good. One more bite, then I'll go eat. The cornmeal, I like it mixed with the flour. Gives it a really good texture when you're eating it. That's a good sandwich. I'm gonna go eat.